Hello, my name is Ilya Suslov.
My name is Kirill Safronov.
We are students of Lapinam, and today we are making a usability test of site alexander.ohmygos.com for the assignment. The introduction. This usability test aimed at getting an immediate reaction from the user about the shortcomings and website usability. To increase efficiency, this test should be performed in different age, employment, and skills for a more detailed result. Task aimed at testing the most important parts to improve an efficiency of interaction between the user and the site. It covers the navigation, functionality, parts, and general appearance of the site. Let's start. Okay, our test has 8 parts, and the first one, the site as a whole. These questions describe the entire site and check its performance. These questions, the user can evaluate the site features, functions, and ease of use, according to estimates by these first impressions going on site. And the first question, do you understand immediately what the website dedicated to?
I think we can't tell about the main idea of this website because besides pictures with some phrases, the homepage don't have any information about Digi Assistant.
Okay. Second question, all the basic features are available without registration.
Yes, I think all basic features are available without registration because we can leave the feedback and use live chat.
Okay, we can test it, but internet is not working. Oh, okay. Let's try it. Mm-hmm. Third question. All functions operate properly?
Um, Search functions work properly. Uh, yes, and live chat I think work, but I can't test it because nobody online.
Mm-hmm. Is there a convenience for the beginners?
I think for beginners this site will be easy to use because the website don't have any difficult functions.
And is there a convenience for experienced?
I think that website don't have difficulties with using functions for experienced users.
Does the site have distracting information?
No, it has not. This site has only information about uh, provided digital assistant service.
So we are going to the next part. It calls the site structure information architecture. This question assess the structure and information architecture of the site. With these questions, user will appreciate how easy it is to find information and information literacy and organization on the page. And the first question, content is divided into primary and secondary parts.
My opinion that the content of this website is not divided.
Second question, the complexity of the structure of the site corresponds to the content and objectives.
Yes, because the website doesn't have hard structure and the content is not massive. I think this site is matched functionality good, quite good.
Third question, is there a site map, a link to it on every page?
Yes, this website has sitemap and uh, I can reach every page from any place.
So we're going to the next part called navigation. Questions about the site navigation is one of the most important because correct navigation on the site is extremely important. Users will be able to estimate how much navigation is simple and straightforward. And the first question, is it always clear in what section of the site user is?
Yes, because page where user is located has a headline.
Mhm. Second question, does buttons functions are very simple?
Yes, because when you put your cursor on a button, it changes color.
Third question, does the important information is easily accessible from all pages on the site?
Yes, I think because the important information is easily accessible on every page.
Okay. Fourth question, is it possible to understand the content of the header of the category page?
Yes, it's easy to understand because every page has their own header.
Okay. Uh, Fifth question, whether the logo link to home on all pages except the home?
Uh, yes, every page has a logo to go to the home page.
Sixth question, is there a main menu on all pages in the same place?
Yes, in the same, in the all pages.
And seventh question, whether the menu items are arranged in descending order of importance?
No, it seems to me benefits of products are more important than contacts and information about company.
Okay. Okay, the next part is structure of pages. These questions will appreciate the structure of the pages on the site. Using them, we can get answers like our site visualized in terms of the different functions it's placed. First question. It remains whether the site logo in the same place when you go to other pages.
Yes, the site logo is located in the same places.
Mhm. Second, does this logo clearly describe the purpose of the site?
Uh, I think yes, because this program need for free your memory.
Mhm. The most important units are located on the first screen.
No, because for example, in the page about us, you should click one more time for read article.
Observe whether the balance between the information blocks and the empty space.
I think that balance between blocks and empty space is complete.
Are the headlines clear and visible?
Yes, developer use good place and good font for headlines.
Do all clickable items look obvious and the mouse pointer is modified when you hover over them?
Yes, all clickable items look obvious, and when you put your mouse cursor on the link, it changes the form and the color.
Mhm. Meaning of icons and graphic elements is intuitive, understandable.
Yes, I think everyone know icons of social media.
So the next part is search. With this question, the user can evaluate the search on the site. Users will appreciate the field to search for its location and convenience of use, so the results of the search and correct operations. First question. Search box is available on every page of the site.
Yes, on the every page.
Mhm. Second, the search box is in the expected location.
Yes, in the expected location.
Uh, on the page is only one search field.
No, website has two search fields. Or one of them work like drop down, and one of them is common search field, but uh, this one is not located on the home page.
Uh, search is check spelling mistakes and looking for synonyms.
No, the spelling check. No, the spelling check for mistakes is not allowed in search fields, and it has no function which will look for synonyms itself.
Search field length is not less than 30 characters.
The search field don't have any limited for symbols.
Mhm. Search results are correct or what has been said in the search.
Yes, the search show you every sentence where the searchable word was.
Is the entire site covered by the entire search?
Yes, the search engine on this site cover the entire site. So in the search field, you can search keywords, and it will cover any page on site.
Uh, whether or not the search result of basic information about the find objects.
The search engine will show you a link and the sentence with the subscriber word.
And the next part is text. These questions about the text will find out its content, readability, structure, and layout. And the first question, does the text is structured like inverted pyramid, important first and then the rest?
There are no text about product on the site. That's why I can't now answer this question.
Okay. Are fonts on all pages legible and contrast?
Yes, all fonts are well readable on the website, and uh, I don't have any remarks to have design.
Does the site use colored text links?
Website doesn't use color links.
Mhm. And does the variety of colors is justified?
This website uses two main colors, green and white, and the variety of colors on this website is matched to each other, so from the design point of view, it's fine.
Okay, the next part is links and buttons. These questions about the buttons and links will open in their design and text on the page, as well as their use. And the first question, does a reference entity indicate what it leads to?
Yes, because of experience on this site, when I click on the links, I move to the page with the same headlines.
Mhm. All references are visually different from the rest of the text.
It's quite difficult to identify the link near the text.
Link that a user has visited has a different color.
Uh, the visited links don't change its color.
Mhm. Uh, Next question. Uh, does the buttons look like buttons?
Yes, um, the buttons have their own shape and color and the uncommon cursor reaction.
And the last one. When you hover over the button, does it change the display?
Yes, it's changed its color.
The next part is forms. This question describes the forms and checks their work. With the help of these questions, we can understand whether the work is good shape, if they are easy to fill, and about their ability to fill. The first question. The target form, such as registration or the processing, there are only mandatory fields.
This site has only registration form.
Second question. Do we usually highlight the field in which to be focused?
Yes, the text field on is highlighted by the blue color or field boundaries.
It is shown at any step. It is now and how much is left of steps.
No, the registration field contains two text fields.
Fields, the filling of which can raise questions, are provided with clues.
No, fields don't have any clues.
Whether a user has an opportunity to step back in order to correct the data entered.
No, there are not opportunities to step back because the registration form consists of one page.
Reports of data entry errors informative or not.
Yes, so when I use someone username or email um, address, it will be report about it with a description.
And the last. The error message is located next to the field in which to make a mistake.
No, every report message allocated to a higher of registration form.
Here our test is over. I hope you enjoyed this video and it wasn't so long. So thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.